Hello guys, welcome back, and in this latest video I'm just going to show you that how to delete a collection on Instagram, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. First of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then come to a profile section. Then just simply tap on the three lines which you can see on the top right corner, and then tap on saved. In the saved section, it will show all of your collection which you have made it. So in order to delete a particular collection, just simply tap on that collection and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner and tap on edit collection. In the edit collection, you can change its name, or in the manage section you can see there's an option of delete collection. So in order to delete a collection, just simply tap on that option and then tap on delete collection. So that's how you can easily delete a particular collection on your Instagram app. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question, just leave me in the comment section below, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more, and then just keep watching because it can help you much.